Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready. Open Glow Charge and tap New Project to begin. Set canvas to 1080 by 1920 and choose 30 frames per second so animations stay smooth. Import your battery vector, mask, and charge texture, then organize layers with clear names. This keeps the timeline manageable. Once done, lock background layers and select the battery body layer to apply the base material. Doing this now prevents mistakes later and speeds up the animation workflow. With assets organized, move to the timeline and set keyframes. Animate the charge fill from 0% to 100% over your chosen duration. Add easing on the fill keyframes to create a natural acceleration and deceleration. This matters for perceived realism. Next, keyframe glow intensity and color shifts. Use additive blending and the mask reveal to confine light to the battery shape. Make sure to preview frequently. Adjusting curve handles and timing refines the effect without redoing work. When the animation reads well in preview, export using MP4 for video or GIF for short loops. Choose a medium bitrate to balance quality and file size. Test the output on the target device to verify color, timing, and performance. If you see flicker, clipping, or unexpected transparency, check layer order first, then inspect overlapping keyframes and mask boundaries. If problems persist, toggle GPU rendering and re-export. This often resolves driver-related artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.